Alpha game, are you ready?
I am!
1, 2, ready, pull! No down, ready, go! 5 and go, 5 and go, ready, go! Ready, set, hit! Amber, you're on set, not ready.
Every muscle in your body is tensed up. And the only thing you're thinking about is knowing that the 3 women in front of you and the 4 women behind you are your sisters. And that they're pulling for you and that you're pulling for them.
1, 2, ready, pull! Side house, ready, go!
When one person lets go of that half an inch of rope, the whole team feels it. And I think that you build respect for each other through that. And I think that that's a really big reason why we're so close, is because we see each other at our worst and we still try to build each other up to be our best.
At the end of the day, our only competition, I believe, are the women that we were last year. So if we go out there and we walk away without that hand in our direction, then we can sit down and look in the mirror and say, were we better than the women that we were last year?
I was like, Aaron fixed it. You're looking good. Okay. What is going on?
Last year, we were in the final pool, and whenever they called the pool, I just kind of sat there for a second, and I was like, wait, did we just win? And then they called the other side, and I just like fell back in the mud, just completely disappointed.
You're only guaranteed 3 minutes. That 3 minutes is when we show everyone what we're made of.
AGD, are you ready?
I am!
Kappa Delta, are you ready? 1, 2, ready!
Just all of y'all, don't give up, don't quit because of this year. Come back, bring more people, and
bring the same fire. Now you know how it feels.
We know each other, and we know that bond that we've created. And so I think when we walk away with that, then we've won.